Being a dental hygienist is very hard on my body. I have to sit in the same positions for long hours and I have a lot of tension in my upper back. BioFunctional Health has helped me to figure out some of my hormone issues with their blood tests, as well as my food allergies and what I'm more sensitive to, things I should avoid to help my body function optimally and decrease inflammation. They did a 3D assessment of my body functionality, mobility, stability, how my body moves, and where I have restrictions and things that I can improve just to make sure that my body functions optimally. You know, instead of saying, well, the blood tests are this, and this, and they're within range and we don't have anything we can do. They listen to my concerns and me as their patient, like what I want and how I know that something isn't right, and they didn't just blow it off. I'm very excited to continue to work with BHS so that I can continue to improve everything that I've learned. I've learned so much so far, and I know that if I continue to work with them and to improve my overall health, how I function, I'll be able to be the best me, which means I'll be able to be the best mother and to just live a happy life. Well, the biggest thing is I had seen multiple doctors, endocrinologists, came with my symptoms and my concerns, and all of them pretty much had no answers, and I spent thousands of dollars doing tests and couldn't figure anything out. So I started working with BHS, and they've been very caring, sincere, and really want to help me, and I can tell. So it's easy to want to come back and continue to help let them have the journey with me to figure it out together, because no one knows all the answers. So I think just having someone that cares and can work with you through it to get you to the place that you want to be is very important.